Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines.
Mr. Roof, you're charged with 9 counts of murder and 1 count of possession of a weapon during the commission of a violent crime.
Dylann Roof, the white man charged with the murder of 9 black people in a historic black church on June 17th, has apparently written a racist manifesto online. U.S. officials confirmed the site belonged to Roof. In the manifesto was the explanation that the author had chosen Charleston because it is the most historic city in the state, and at one time had the highest ratio of blacks to whites in the country.
I do believe this was a hate crime.
While Charleston Police Chief Gregory Mullen referred to the killings as a hate crime, Roof was charged with murder. The church where the shooting occurred, Emanuel African Methodist Church, is set to reopen on June 21st for service. In the worst such incident in a decade, the death toll caused by a batch of tainted liquor has climbed to 92 and 19 are in critical condition in Mumbai. Indian police have arrested 5 people so far in relation to the incident. 8 police officers were suspended following the incident over claims of negligence and connivance. South Korea has announced 3 new cases of Middle East respiratory syndrome. This comes a day after the nation reported no new cases for the first time in 16 days since the first case entered the country on May 20th. The country also reported its 25th fatality from the virus. Earlier in the week, Thailand reported its first case of MERS, which has no known vaccine. Ahmed Mansour, a senior Al Jazeera journalist, has been arrested in Germany on an arrest warrant issued by his native country, Egypt, while attempting to board a flight to Qatar. Al Jazeera called for his immediate release. In 2014, an Egyptian court sentenced Mansour in absentia for torturing a lawyer in 2011 on Tahrir Square in Cairo, which was the scene of a mass uprising that toppled former President Hosni Mubarak. Mansour described the charges as fabricated, and his lawyer has called them politically motivated. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.